Shandong Longhe Energy Saving Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, specializes in prefabricated houses and construction materials. We have 2 production factories, covered 600,000 square meters. One factory is for prefab container house. The other factory is for EPS cement sandwich wall panel. The production capacity of prefab container house is 14,000 sets per year. Our company have more than 200 staffs, with 10 skilled architects design customized produces according to customers' requirements. Longhe Container House is mainly made up of standard load-bearing post system, ceiling panel system, floor panel system, wall panel system, and all the piping and finishes are precast in each system. On-site, the building is rapidly constructed by the connection of each system and connection of the piping. Our company is a new high-tech enterprise. We pay much attention to the technology research and development and have more than 20 patents. Our factories have advanced automatic quality control equipment to assure products' quality. Our equipment meets international standards. The products have been exported to nearly 30 countries, such as Vietnam, Malaysia, USA, the Philippines, Italy, Spain, Africa, Australia, Canada, Peru, Thailand, Singapore, Portugal, etc.